every time, we have friends over or family, I literally play XG nonstop to the point where they ask about XG now. Alright guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, hello, my name is Linda and I make K-pop reaction videos. For those who subscribe, welcome back guys. So, I will be reacting to XG Days. This is going to be number 4, so it's going to be like their unboxing reaction to their album. Yay! Honestly, I do have XG's album, but I bought it for resale. Whew! Yeah, like let's just stop there. I bought it for resale, and I actually pulled a Hinata photo card, but one of my subscribers, also a friend of mine, thank you for trading with me. He traded with me Jordan's photo card, so thank you for that. And honestly, next time they come out with when they come out with their next mini album, I'm sorry, I'm just gonna be, honestly, I'll probably get like a couple meaning, like I don't know why I have my heart set out on 4. But yeah, I know us alphas are gonna be fighting to get those albums. I know for sure, because I'm pretty sure they're all gonna be sold out. But anyways, okay, I'm doing too much talking. Let's just get into it. Let's go. I mean, like, no warning? Like, Jordan, you're just gonna... listen, I welcome you on my screen anytime, but, like, there was no warning. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Okay. Is that what she said?
Yay! で、これがポイント。かわいい。かわいいとかじゃない。
The tongue.
ついてる。かわいい。
Okay.
かわいいとかじゃないよ。
失礼いたします。
撮って。
やばい、あと4分。やばいじゃん。あと何分？あと2分。いるのかな。ね、やっぱみんなつむじしか見えてない。やばい。
That is funny. That is true though.
つむじよ。
私たちのつむじ見つめてください。ぜひ。
ぜひ。
いつも見れないと思うので。
つむじも見。
レフトライトも出るよね。
そうだよ。ドゥンドゥンドゥンドゥンドゥンドゥンですね。
やばいじゃん。
やばいもう1分。
やばい。レイジに聞けない方もいるんだ。そっか。みんなで聞いてみちゃう。これはいいよ、良すぎるよ。Oh my gosh、トイレ休憩もらって聞いてる。ブリンブリンって言ってる。ブリンブリン。こっちやられるでしょ。
宇宙行きました。
宇宙飛びました。エグ好き。
Hey.
高速道路で聞きたいです。
分かってますね。
あ、もうレフトで聞いてるみんな。絵文字だし。チャカチャカチョン。あー、やばいやばいやつ。マジ？次ベストガールズが左右。
Honestly, I could watch XG's the top of their head any time of the day. So
世界基準じゃん。
ゼフィラやばい。なんかめっちゃ懐かしい。
懐かしさを。
左と右シルダーってこんなにおしゃれな左右ある？左右。あ、次左右行きます。
次これで聞く？
左右行きます。
うわ。首長くして待ってた。言ってたわ。首長く。首長く。やばいよ。
6時まで我慢って言って
oh
確かにな。
ドライブが楽しくなりそうだって。
ほんとその通りだよ。
音楽ダンス、音楽ダンス、元気。
可愛いね。USA だって。アルファの言葉、アルファが入ってるって分かってるかなみんな。
ね、確かに。
確かに。
してみるし。
言って言いましょう言いましょう。
言いたい。じゃあ歌詞にアルファで登場しますよって言ってもいい？うん。
ヘッドホンで聞くともうそこ全力で叫ぶ。
かわいい。送った？マジ？
フライ好きな方いっぱいいらっしゃるな。
Already直すにだついに
直すにだ。
歌
ミュージックビデオも
楽しみ。
楽しみ。シューリングスターとレフトドライトが出るからって撮った人。はい。でこれからもいっぱい聞く人。はい。
新しい
の反応見る人。
yeah
チャットもちょっと入って。
wait okay never mind they said who's gonna be checking if Alpha's like the reaction it's probably in the comments and stuff because I was like what if they watch like reaction videos? Oh my god, what if they saw me? No, I doubt it, but still one day.
ちょっとやってはい。
じゃあアルファのこと愛してる人はい
they're dorks.
いや。じゃあ明日のライブ待ちきれない人。すごい。
좋아요
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah.
Okay, Maya. Okay, you know, she knows.
Bye bye.
No, bye bye.
開けますか？なんで？
アバター
開けましょう。あ、出てきた。待って。あ、できた。何これすごくむずい。
Their albums, you got me. Their albums. Their album is precious, you guys. It's precious.
みんななんか早いよ。Everyone so pretty. 本当じゃん。
Everyone's so pretty.
Why is everyone? で後ろのディテール見ますとみんなの色になっています。シール。
何
みんなで。Julie got the fire blue. Extraordinary girl. 言っちゃってもいい？誰のカードだったか。言って。ジュニー。
Oh!
ひなただった
待って前もジュリーちゃん
みやちゃんでした
Oh.
私じゃ
ないのみんな
誰か
マヤいない
かなあ、ちーちゃん
マヤノーミス
Oh no! No Maya! No.
うちらのピッ
めちゃくちゃ可愛いです
めっちゃ可愛い。めっちゃそれ
マヤ
マ
マヤ
ヤジョイ。
以上私たちの CD アンボックシングでした
I can't wait for their next album.
でした。
Yay! Oh! Wow! Oh.
戦いしようやったピーカイか
Oh my god, you guys, if I saw somebody as pretty as, if I saw Chisa on the street, my neck would be broken. I'd be like, I literally would take so many double takes. No. Okay guys, so I just reacted to XG Days 4. I just want to mention that every time, you know, we have friends over or family, I literally play XG nonstop to the point where they ask about XG now. And not only that though, but they also want to go to their concerts. And I'm like, yes. So we've accumulated about a group of 8 to 10 of us that's gonna go see XG when they go on tour. But not only that, I've had them all pick biases, okay? Like, they're like, oh, who's this? And and the thing is like, I tell them, like, guys, listen, they only have 4 songs. But not only do they have 4 songs, I mean, those 4 songs are freaking amazing. But you know, I play them their solos. Not their solos, but I play them the Cypher. I mean, yeah, I guess the solos, you know, with Juria, Hinata, and Chisa. Chill Bill. Like, you guys, it's just literally anybody that comes over, they will get sucked into XG. That's just how it is. Like, the XG love. That's basically how I've been spreading our girls love, is that I will literally suck you in as soon as you sit on the couch. XG video. I'm playing left, right, shooting star, mascara, tippy toe, Cypher, the solo performance. Boom, done. And then they'll ask, like, the next day they'll be like, wait, who was that group that you played like yesterday? That's how I know. I'm like, okay, gotcha, reeled them in. That's all it takes. I don't know, I just felt the need to share that because it made me happy. I mean, it made me happy. Like I said before, you know, XG makes me happy. And I just want to, as much as I want to gatekeep our girls, they deserve, like, all the love. So it's only right. But if you guys enjoyed my reaction, please like, comment, subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching.